Hi, everybody. We're here at App Field Day number 2, and it's happening at KubeCon thanks to Tech Field Day. We just heard from Southworks with development on demand. Let's hear from our delegates on what they think.
So this is really interesting because a lot of major coding or recoding or migration initiatives at an organization fall into like a morass, especially when they're internally run, of added requirements and new stakeholders coming and changes in platform and all this kind of thing. It's kind of famous that a lot of these never fully release or get radically descoped in order to release. That's why a lot of organizations turn to system integrators or external consultants or partners to help them with it. But those tend to bring their own baggage in as well because they try to embed in the organization. Southworks' approach is actually to just package these kinds of major software initiatives. It could be a new app, it could be a migration, it could be a transformation, to package them in a scoped and defined, not unchangeable, but a scoped and defined project and package that they deliver and then enable so that they can just walk away. And that is something that really is interesting. It's a way to get these things done reliably, but also effectively using all that available talent that Southworks has. I like that.
I think Southworks has a very interesting value proposition, one that they didn't really articulate at the presentation, which is their pricing model is a flat fee for service, which is different than an hourly basis. And their engagement model is really about teaching you and doing a knowledge transfer rather than building a long-term engagement that goes on years and years and years. So I think it'd be very interesting for organizations to take a look at Southworks.
I was happy to be able to ask Southworks my key question when it comes to multi-cloud, which is how do you take advantage of the advanced features of the leading public cloud providers without kind of dumbing things down in order to enable cloud-to-cloud mobility? The answer is to basically build on the CNCF toolkit to have basically features that can take advantage of the advanced stuff in AWS, for example, or Azure, but yet also allow you to move from cloud to cloud. And frankly, Southworks' depth of experience working with customers in this space kind of reassures me that they could probably make that work, even though it remains a real challenge for most professionals in the cloud world.
Southwick's really interesting. They seem to be looking to solve one of the big problems out there, which is getting the right engineering, getting the right resources at scale. But also, it's not more. They're not really talking about a long-term engagement. Their fire team kind of strategy really impressed me. It was like they're a bit of a SWAT team. Get in, get the job done, get out. And it's not like they're building for this long term. We're going to be here incumbent forever. So that was really great.